Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to make part 12. So we're going to click Create, Document, part 12, OK that. This one here, we're going to draw it on the right plane. So I'm going to click there, click that. So we're looking directly straight in at it. I'm going to start with the M5 hole at the top. So sketch, circle, and up here, we're going to draw a circle of any size. And then we're going to smart dimension this hole to be 4.5. And return. And that circle there now is the size that you want it. That's all to the center for the radius 10 curve. So if we go back here, go dimension, into the center, drag that out any size at all. If it's radius 10, its diameter is 20. So dimension. And if you look there, there's a little D beside dimension. That's just a shortcut. So on your keyboard, you can hit D. I suppose you're looking up there every time. Click out there. It's 20 diameter. And that's that circle drawn. And we have a line coming on the outside of the circle straight down. You can see that when there's little dashed lines on it, that'll let you know that the line is vertical. What we're going to do now is hit the escape key. It's on the top left hand side of your keyboard. And we're going to go up here to where tangent is. So we click on tangent. We want this circle and this line here to be tangential to each other. So you've seen that move the line up there now, so it's directly in the corner there. The length of this piece then is 48. So on your keyboard D, click on that there and make that 48. From there, we're going to draw a line. Goes in, down, back out again, down. Now to make sure the horizontal line, just move it up until you get the dashed line. So dimension. This 6. This 6. This 6. And this 6. Now, the whole bottom is 12, 12, 18, 40, 50 long at the base. Now it comes in 6, back 16. Again, we're going to draw a line, approximately 6, in, up. So D again on your keyboard. This we're going to make 6. This comes in here 16. This here 6 again. This 6 again. And the height of that line total is 24. So line again, and you can see up here it says L beside it. So on your keyboard you just hit L. Click on that there, click on that there. And then we're going to go with tangent again. From this to this. Perfect. So we want to now get rid of this part of the circle here. So what we do is trim. Click on trim, click on that there. One final part is we need to get that circle in there. The diameter 5.5 circle. So if we go to this point here and draw a line straight out, we know that it's in line with that point over there. And it's over 6 from this. sorry, now head escape. So B for dimension from this line to here, that is 6. And the overall size of the hole is 5.5. And that is piece 12 completed. We can do extrude boss base. And the thickness of that piece is 4 millimeters. Green tick that. And that is the piece complete.